Hi everyone. If you hear me, please, if the sound is good, please type your smile. Today I want to speak about skincare and brands been lying to us, and it's interesting because I ask a few of my friends, hey, what do you use for skincare? And my friend said, hey, I use Dior. So I was like, okay, let me pull it up, Dior. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull up some Dior, this brand. You know, luxury segment, right? The prices is pretty much high. Of course, we have more like expensive products on the market, but it's Dior. If we go deeper and actually check out what is inside Dior, and we go deep in, that's what's pretty much that's what inside. So all kinds of chemicals you see, and you see very harmful ones, right? The harmful that you don't want to be used on your skin, right? So far I found sodium benzoate, you know and it actually doesn't protect from bacteria, and only protects from fungi, you know and when it if you mix it with vitamin C, it's very harmful for your skin. So what else we found? um, we found, of course, benzoate. It says that it's safe by FDA, but if you have sensitive skin, it's pretty much very harmful. It can be harmful for your eyes as well. You can find all of this information online, right? So, and then if we talk about this brand, Fenty, some of my friends, they say, yeah, we use Fenty and it's a cool brand, but when you actually go and check their products, it's the same way, um, it has sodium benzoate, if you have sensitive skin, which I, for example, do. And I think sensitive skin is actually amazing, because if you put a product on your skin and your skin is red or it's itchy or whatever, you might don't feel it, but then with time, some people can see different, irritation and acne or some other stuff. So, and their products contain benzoate, and also product of Fenty, they contain fragrances, and fragrances, it's also can can add some good smell to it, but then your skin react to it. And then when you pull up what is actually inside the bottle, you can see how much stuff. So I think this is Dior. Oh, it's actually not Dior. This is Fenty. Look, sodium benzoate. I even like mark it up, because sodium benzoate is pretty toxic. You cannot use it on your skin. I don't remember where's the screen, but here, sodium benzoate. If your skin have sensitive, please avoid it. And many you can Google it on yourself and find more information. But also, if you look at the back of the cream, which you probably never look, because why would you look? It's a good shade, right? I'm just kidding. But if you see all of this, like boom, 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 so many stuff, like alcohol, glycerin, different types of oils, even caffeine, sodium, alcohol, sodium again, bunch of different stuff mixed up in one bottle. So you put it on and you're like, oh yeah, it's cool, but no, it's literally like, some of these components they're like cool, but some of them they safe, but if you have sensitive skin, it's not safe. So if my sensitive skin is not all right, from the first second I put it on my skin and your normal skin is all right, it doesn't mean it doesn't damage your skin, you know? So please, when you buy like Fenty and all of these new brands, check out what they actually have, you know, because it's a strong personal brand that steps in that game, which is Rihanna, right? And then the person has big following, and then they create product. You go on the website, you're like, okay, it's cool, it's all organic, it's all natural, but read about it, search, see what is inside, you know, because most of the products, 90%, uh, even a big, even the person is very known and the personal brand is very big, they're influencers, they're on social media everywhere, and they have big following, it doesn't mean the product can match their quality, like as a, because when brands come to celebrities or other known people and they offer them a contract to work with, and even if the person wants to have a good intention and they try to make it organic, they don't know shit about it, they trust, okay, cool, it's safe and blah blah blah, let's make a contract, let's do it. And and then we all use it and we're like, oh yeah, it was good, but then after 5 months, I don't know, I have to change it. It's lie. You don't have to change your skincare. You can choose one product and use it the whole life, because if it serves the purpose, if it moisturizes your skin, then you don't need anything else. It will pretty much serve the purpose, moisturizing part. But if it was good for you for 5 months, but then the brand changed the ingredients or something else, because they do mass produce, they have to deliver it for everyone, so of course the ingredients are not the same. So, and plus the brand is growing all the time. When the person with big personal known brand comes in, there's a lot of fans, a lot of followers, so everyone wants to get it. So you know what I mean, right? So yeah, talking about skincare, the most amazing skincare is organic skincare, when your skin can digest it, and it doesn't leave any oil, oil on you. Your skin can get 100% of it, and it has no silicone, because silicone is a product of gas and our skin cannot cannot digest it, you know what I mean? So yeah, and with this being said, please stop using toxic brands and just check out your skincare routine. Actually go and see what is in the bottle. You will be surprised, because you will be like, well, I don't have sensitive skin, my skin is normal. But if you find out like five different, you know components that compounds that like harmful for you, so imagine on a long run, if you use it for 5 months or for a year, it will be damaging your skin and not serving the purpose, because you might buy it for moisturizing, but stuff has alcohol, so when you put alcohol, it dries your skin out, you know so go and do your research on your skincare. And if you want to try something different, something that you can use for your whole life, so you buy it and you forget, you don't have to switch, you don't have to think, oh my god, but how can I get it and stuff like that. So you find a product and it serves the purpose for the rest of your life. That's the goal, because you don't want to spend so much time on your skincare routine, you don't want to spend so much money on skincare routine, you don't want to always analyze what's the best on the market, what's working, what's not working. You just want to use the product that completely serve the purpose of it, that's healing your skin, moisturizing your skin, brings your pH level to balance, and you live happy because your skin is glowing. You don't have to spend no time for pretty much I'm here back. Ooh! I didn't know I just pressed the button 2 times. By the way, look, I got new stuff. I'm in love. green verde. So with this sunlight, it doesn't shine that much, but on the sunlight, ooh. So yeah, check out your products, creams on the back, what they use, what they put inside, and you will be surprised because you will be like, you know what, I use Fenty, but then you check out that bottle and you're like, oh wow, alcohol, glycerin, chemicals on chemicals on chemicals on chemicals on chemicals on chemicals. Of course, it's gonna harm your skin, man. Like, come on, let's do research. Yeah, so if you want to try something different, I highly recommend to use clear, organic, cold press cosmetic oils because your skin can digest 100% of it. And the way you use it, you have to apply moisture first. And as a moisture, you can use alkaline water or you can use rose water. So you apply rose water on your face before using every day. I love how I do it with my glasses on. so so you apply it first. Why do you do it? When you apply water, your skin is moisturized with water, right? And when you apply the product, it's easier for your skin to get it, to digest it because you have water first. So when you apply verde, let it stay for a minute or half of the minute, maybe like 2 minutes, and then you can apply your product. I usually use like 3 drops, and the way I apply it, it's pretty much you put it on your finger, and then I'm just wearing glasses. I don't want to mess up my outfit, so yeah, that's the way you apply it. But I do it usually with 2 fingers, and I go everywhere. Water first, and then after water, you apply oil. So water is locked on the oil. So pretty much it's very good because the water actually, your skin will get the water. Because when we just spray water, because it's especially here in California, 15 seconds the water is gone, you know, your skin cannot actually take it that much. But when you put water first and on top you put oil, moisturizing layer, so the water get digested better. That's why it works so good. And when people ask me, hey, what do you do for your skin, I say I actually do very simple things, you know. So it all works out, and what I love about it, you can use it for the rest of your life, and it moisturizes the skin, your pH levels, they become balanced, and immune system is very good, so recovery also higher. So why is that? Because you use an organic products, you don't use any alcohol, pheromones, all of these chemicals that I mentioned earlier, all of these chemicals. You can do research, because I broke down a few of them and many brands have. So when you put it on your skin with alcohol, it pretty much kills your immune system, your bacteria, So with this organic skincare, you pretty much, let me show you another bottle. Alright, me back, boom. So when you use, okay, can you hear me? When you use this organic brand, you apply it on your skin. The skin is moisturized and healthy. Your immune system, your bacteria, they're happy over there because you don't put alcohol on them. They don't want to be tipsy. Okay, no, it actually kills them. Yeah. So and the most amazing part, you can do it for the rest of your life. I will attach the link below this video, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I see all of your comments. Hi from New York. Hi, South Africa, UK. All right, you guys. Oh, by the way, it's forgot to say it's Black Friday, so 40% off. Use the code Black Friday. I will attach the website below. Thank you so much. Bye. Love you. Look at the bracelets one more time. Oh my god, so beautiful. Sheesh. All right, bye.